How to enable or disable wait for debugger on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on developer option. So after click on developer option and search wait for debugger, scroll down and you will see wait for debugger is here. So if you want to enable wait for debugger, so turn on this button, you will see wait for debugger is enabled. So if you want to disable wait for debugger, so turn off this button, you will see wait for debugger is disabled. So you will enable or disable wait for debugger from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable wait for debugger on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.